Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to use Proxycurl API. I have a list of a LinkedIn profile. It's simple URL of a person. So this is a people. I'm going to use Proxycurl people API to completely scrap or find the data of this people. So the first thing is actually you need a Google Sheet, and in this Google Sheet I list out all the names or all the profile and profile that you want to fetch data. And the second thing is actually you need a Proxycurl. In the Proxycurl, you can sign up and log in. Once you're logged in, you can get access to the API key. And once you have the API key, come back to the scenario like make.com. So I have created 3 modules here. The first module is Google Sheet, and second module is the HTTP module. The third one is the JSON. In the first module, actually I connected this Google Sheet, and so I have to choose the spreadsheet ID and the sheet name, and then click on save. So this module is connected, it's done. So the second one is actually the HTTP module, and the second one HTTP module, you see this. I'm connecting this. I'm requesting a Proxycurl people API. And so if you want to fetch data or request data, so you use you need a URL. So this is a URL, and you can find out all this information in people API, proxy people's API docs, and you get all the information there. But again, I just like to repeat you. So the URL is https://nubula.co/proxycurl/API v2/LinkedIn. So I'm going to use a get method. And so you need a authorization. So the authorization name and the value is your API key. The third thing is actually your query string. So this is the one I'm going to pass the information to the Proxycurl URL API. So the name is LinkedIn profile URL, and then the value is the LinkedIn profile. And so this is the value I'm going to send this. So once you have done this, so you will parse this data. So let's test this and check it out what happens. So click run once, run away, run anyway, and so yes, it's working. You can see that actually the data are here. So let's see the data. So here you can see the complete data of the first person. So the status code is there. So you have all the information here. So yeah, so when you click on the data, you can see here the complete information, complete data of the person, of the URL that I have given. So here you can see the complete data of this person. So yes, thank you so much for watching this video. And if you have any question regarding Proxycurl, People's API or LinkedIn API, and if you're interested to learn about AI and automation, and yes, and if you are interested to, and if you have any questions regarding a LinkedIn API or People's API or using make.com AI and automation, you can check the link in the description, and you can avail 30 minutes of free call. And you can, if you have any idea how to use AI and automation in your business, let's talk soon. And thank you so much for watching this video, and I see you in another video. Bye.